I don't like people who look down on others.
Ayaw ko sa isang matapobre.
The car won't start.
Ayaw umandar ng kotse.
She really doesn't want to see a cockroach.
Ayaw na ayaw niyang makakita ng ipis.
I don't want to lose the chance.
Ayaw kong palampasin ang pagkakataon.
I don't want you to get hurt.
Ayaw kong masaktan ka.
I don't want to get married.
Ayaw kong mag-asawa.
He doesn't want to admit what happened.
Ayaw niyang aminin ang nangyari.
I don't want to try.
Ayaw kong subukan.
I might get into trouble again.
Baka mapasama na naman ako.
I don't want to get involved in your problem.
Ayaw kong madamay sa problema niyo.
I don't want anybody to invade my privacy.
Ayaw ko kasing pinapakialaman ako.
I don't want to hurt you.
Ayaw kitang saktan.
I don't want to make a mistake.
Ayaw kong magkamali.
Don't buy it if you don't want to.
Huwag mong bilhin kung ayaw mo.
I don't want to lose you.
Ayaw kong mawala ka sa akin.
Why don't you like to spend your money?
Bakit ayaw mong gastusin ang pera mo?
Don't you like to eat with your friends?
Ayaw mo bang kumain kasama ng mga kaibigan mo?
Don't you like to meet me?
Ayaw mo ba akong makilala?
He doesn't like to work.
Ayaw niyang magtrabaho.
Don't you want to believe me?
Ayaw mo bang maniwala sa akin?
It's not that I don't want to.
Hindi naman sa ayaw ko.
I'm just shy.
Kaya lang nahihiya talaga ako.
I don't want you to be like me.
Ayaw kong matulad ka sa akin.
I don't want to stay at home today.
Ayaw kong manatili sa bahay ngayon.
I don't want you to experience what I went through.
Ayaw kong maranasan mo ang mga pinagdaanan ko.
I don't want to see her.
Ayaw ko siyang makita.
I don't like to eat that.
Ayaw kong kumain yan.
I really don't want you to go.
Ayaw ko talagang umalis ka.
You know that I don't like him.
Alam mong ayaw ko sa kanya.
I don't like to talk about it anymore.
Ayaw ko nang pag-usapan yan.
Are you sure you don't want to eat?
Sigurado kang ayaw mong kumain.
I don't like spicy food.
Ayaw ko ng pagkaing maanghang.
I don't want to be late.
Ayaw kong mahuli.
I don't want to do that to her.
Ayaw kong gawin yun sa kanya.
Don't you like to be rich?
Ayaw mo bang yumaman?
Don't you like to come with us?
Ayaw mo bang sumama sa amin?
Why don't you like to talk with him?
Bakit ayaw mo siyang kausapin?
Out of so many women, why did you choose her?
Bakit sa dinami-dami ng babae, siya pa ang napili mo?
Why don't you like to know the truth?
Bakit ayaw mong malaman ang totoo?
I'm aware that you don't like me.
Alam ko naman na ayaw mo sa akin.
I don't want to be embarrassed again.
Ayaw ko nang mapahiya pa ulit.
I don't want to cause any trouble.
Ayaw kong magdulot ng gulo.
I don't want to admit this but I failed.
Ayaw ko sanang aminin pero nabigo ako.
Don't you like to talk to me?
Ayaw mo ba akong kausapin?